I can see that beautiful smile on your face all the time,
Yeah.
and that Buddha like enlightenment and peace on your face. So
Yeah.
I would like to know a few of the examples when you feel like this is
Mm.
something which I have changed in somebody's life. This has made me who I am today. This has made me a different person who I was in yesteryears.
I think yes. This reason for the smile is because I have some inner satisfaction inside me. You know, when you as a teacher you change a life of a child. You know, whether it is a small change which is helping the child to do something. I think that satisfaction is much more than achieving some awards or appreciation. So that's the kind of appreciation which we feel, you know, when a child does something which the child was not able to. So that efforts, which the seamless effort we were putting in to make the child comfortable in the class, and maybe it is reading or writing or maybe you know, saying something when the child starts speaking, everything is so important. And especially when I talk about preschooler, it is, these skills are so important that वो छोटी छोटी चीज़ों पे अगर हमने काम कर दिया और कुछ भी एक सक्सेस दिखता है ना, it feels like, oh my god, I've done something so beautiful to make a child happy, you know. So that smile is because that a child is smiling. तो वो क्योंकि smile कर रहा है because he has earned something, तो वो हमें भी एक smile देता है. तो it gives me a lot of energy. And whenever I am low, I just think about my children. I think about school. I think about, you know, the things which I have done, which helped me grow as a teacher. The smile automatically comes. Yeah.
It is that teacher goes to the last mile to
Yeah.
achieve that change in the child,
Yes.
whatever he or she wants to see.
Yeah.
I would like to know a few of examples from your career where you made few changes or some great changes in somebody's life. जो कोई एक बच्चा था क्लास में जो एक पीछे रह गया
Yeah.
उसको आगे लेके आया या कोई कोई डिफरेंट एग्जांपल
Yeah.
जो आपने मतलब you have made real great change in his or her life.
Yeah, so I'll just start with one thing around this. What happens is when we talk about a classroom, you know, in a school, in any school, so what happens is everyone talks about 80% of the children in the class, okay? That 80% of your children should be able to achieve, you know, these outcomes. And if you are doing this, you are a great teacher. But, you know, this is true also to some extent because 80% is a big number in your classroom who are learning. But then I always felt that those 20% children who could not achieve that, if you are able to do something for those 20 children, then you become a great teacher. So this is what my learning was. And that is why I was all around, you know, this thing that I have to do something around these 20% children. So my mind was always thinking about these children when I was cooking, when I was eating, when I was at home also. So हमेशा जब हम उन बच्चों के बारे में सोचते हैं, डेफिनेटली हम इतने आइडियाज़ पे काम करते हैं, वी ट्राई डिफरेंट थिंग्स, और तब हम एक बेहतर इंसान भी बनते हैं एंड ऑल्सो वी बिकम अ बेटर टीचर. सो some instances I can definitely talk about. I can't say I have changed their life, but I've just tried a little bit so that I can help them. तो अगर टीचर स्ट्रगल करती है तो वो हमारे पास आ सकती है. सर ऑल्सो कम्स टू द क्लासरूम एंड हेल्प्स वेन एवर देयर इज अ नीड. तो उस तरह का कल्चर तो है ही. दे कैन टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम द अदर टीचर्स ऑल्सो. सो वी हैव लाइक मीटिंग्स वेयर वी डिस्कस आवर चैलेंजेस, वी शेयर थॉट्स कि आप ये ट्राई करो, मेरी क्लास में ये था. So we just believe in taking and giving feedbacks to each other, and then we learn from each other. So that is how we are addressing these issues. But yeah, मतलब ये issues हर जगह पर होते हैं, and I think when you encounter them, धीरे धीरे हम learn करते हैं and we do it. Yes.